Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about the great foods that support, cleanse, and detoxify our endocrine system. And as you can see, there's a lot of green on this table, green in the form of seaweed or sea vegetables, and also these wonderfully rich chlorophyll powders, spirulina and moringa. And green is really the color that's so beneficial for our endocrine system because all of the green vegetables, the herbs, cilantro, spinach, dandelion, they all are very good at detoxifying the endocrine system. And these beauties right here are really great because the chlorophyll helps to cleanse your cells of waste-like added hormones and also those harmful chemicals that are in a lot of animal products. These greens are a really rich source of amino acids that your body uses to make proteins. So I'm going to just show you practically a couple of fun things here. So these are like little squares or little triangles, and you can make sushi rolls out of them. You can make just simple wraps out of them. I'll dampen them a little bit and then put different types of julienne vegetables in, maybe some shrimp, really anything, and then you just roll it and make a cone, and it's fabulous. This right here is some shredded nori, and that's great on top of a salad or inside of anything. This right here is wakame, which is a wonderful seaweed, and it's great inside of soups. It gets pretty big when it rehydrates. This right here is really a rock star seaweed. It's called hijiki, and it's wonderful to make salads out of it. These are fabulous. I love these. One is sea lettuce flakes, and the other is dulse flakes. And you can use them like you would salt, literally. They have a nice, salty, like the sea flavor to them. And you can put them inside anything in place of salt. Other vegetables that are really great for the endocrine system are sweet potatoes. They're just very comforting and balancing, and our endocrine system loves sweet potatoes. And there are all kinds. They're the yams, they're the jewels. There's, I don't know how many varieties, but there's tons of them. The other thing that our endocrine system absolutely loves are beans, lentils, all kinds of lentils. They're very, very balancing for the hormones and really very, very beneficial. Nuts. Nuts are huge. I mean, they're great for anything and for everything, for the brain, for the heart, but particularly for the endocrine system because they are filled with those good saturated fats that our body loves. Do you know that every single hormone your body makes is got fat surrounding it? It's made with fat. We would not be alive, we would not have an endocrine system if it wasn't for fat. So embrace fat. If you still are old school thinking to stay away from it, I want you to just really shed that concept, that 40-year-old lie that saturated fats are bad for us. They're actually so very important. They help our cognizance, they help our hormone system, they help our heart, they help everything. Herbs, we've got fabulous herbs that are great for the hormone system. As you can see, I've got some dried mint there. Sorry, it's not always so easy to see these. Cloves are very wonderful and supportive, and actually, very interestingly enough, in some African countries, they consider that to be the Viagra for women because it's a very heating sort of a spice. These are wonderful. Your local honey, and make sure you always get a local honey. This is from Arizona, so it's literally half an hour away. Bee pollen and then propolis are very excellent at, again, balancing, supporting, cleansing, nourishing our hormone system. Turmeric, well, I don't think there's anything turmeric is not good for. It's good for just about everything. And then we come into some teas. Some teas are really wonderful for, again, calming, nourishing, restoring, helping our hormones. So dandelion root is wonderful. Chamomile and lavender, of course, is famous for its calming and kind of almost sedative type of properties that they have. So as you can see, there's a lot of wonderful, wonderful foods here that are really, really good for supporting the hormone system. A lot of spices. And let's finish off talking about some of these essential oils. So again, we've got the lavender, we've got lemon, and we've got basil. Those are all significant when it comes to supporting the hormone system. So this is just a little tutorial. There's our wonderful maca, which again is a very energizing and really quickening sort of a root that comes out of South America that also has certain supposed libido bolstering properties to it. So again, you can see that there's a lot here that really is excellent for supporting our beautiful endocrine system, the orchestra of our body. So hope you enjoyed this, and we're signing off.